We tested these 3 X ads. One brought in just 1 follower. The other one brought in just 116 followers. But the third one, that's the real winner that I'm going to share with you today, 5,700 verified followers into this account. Now, if you've never done X ads before, it's the lowest cost ads. You can see on my channel, I post every single week about them, teaching you how to set them up. And if you have any type of brand, I suggest checking out X ads, whether your ideal customer's on there looking at the news, talking about politics, or just scrolling, posting memes. Most of our ideal customers are there. Maybe they're not looking for business related content, but if you can show up and you can get them to follow you so you can build a relationship, that's how it's done. So in my videos, I share my screen and break it down every single step so you can see, learn, and do it on your own. Not trying to sell you anything. I just want you to try to do it, learn it, and implement it, and come back and give me a high five. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links, and I've been doing this marketing stuff for the last 10 years, worked with over 2,500 brands. You can always learn more here. I'm going to share my screen, walk you through the X ad system on this one X ad that's building relationships and getting followers and leads. And if you want this full system, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send it over. So let's not wait any longer. Let's dive in. All right, so we're gonna look here that we've got a couple campaigns. We're gonna look at quick promote. That's usually what people start doing, is a boosted post or something where they just try to promote something. We just spent $50 on that, but got just 1 follower and spent $3 for every 1,000 views. The next one here, bottom of funnel retargeting. This is where we're targeting really specific people that are our ICP, ideal customer profile. And you can see that we're getting link clicks for just 0.02 there. 116 followers, 35 people unfollowed us, but we did reach a big audience for spending $1,200. But this is what I want to encourage you to do and implement on your X channel, is the top of funnel ad campaign. Top of funnel means somebody that's never heard of you. This is the first time they've ever seen you. And what you want to do is really be broad, focus on your ad copy and your ad post to draw in the ideal customer, because you're getting pennies per click. So if we look here, cost per result, we're just paying 1/10 of a penny for every 1,000 impressions. Now you're letting the algorithm figure it out, letting the algorithm show it to as many people as possible, and then using the ads to follow up. Now that's what I want to encourage you to do on all ad platforms, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, is you want to branch out as many people as possible, but have a really good ad that draws in your ideal customer. And here's the most important thing: do not ask them to click off the platform. That's one super key advice here. You can see I'm getting 0.01 per 1,000 impressions. I'm getting 62,000 link clicks to my profile because I'm keeping them on platform. Most ad accounts, all ad accounts, they want their users to stay on their platform. So if you try to encourage somebody to go to your website, that means you're taking them off their platform. That means they're going to charge you more, $3.69 instead of 0.01. So that's key. So next one we're going to dive into is what type of ad here. All right, so the next ad that I want you to focus on is not trying to get people to go to your website, not trying to get them to buy something, and really not even talking about your business. Because what you have to do is draw people in for pennies per click, build a relationship, have relatable content, get them to follow you. Then if they start liking your organic posts and see your retargeting ads, that's when you're actually going to make the sale. So you can see right here, this is my best performing post. What I'm saying is the best business relationships often start with a simple hello. I met 1,000 different incredible entrepreneurs on here, and I'd like to support and connect with others. So I'm talking about connecting with you, supporting you, building relationships with you, not even talking about what I do for business. I'm not trying to sell myself yet because you don't trust me yet. Another one, I'm really focused on building a bigger entrepreneur network. Now you can do this based on whatever business you want. So if you're trying to connect with more CPAs or more law firms or more agencies, I'm looking to connect with more agencies online. Let's connect and support each other. So I'm saying I want to build an entrepreneur network that helps each other grow. So I cleared out some connections and I'm looking to focus on more quality. And you can see it's a personal style picture here. The next one I want to do is talking about more entrepreneurs, maybe in the faith base. So I would put something like this: I'm looking to connect with more faith-based entrepreneurs because that's something that I believe in and that I want to connect more with here. So you see a pattern, trying to build better relationships and get them to connect and follow. From there, the secret trick that I don't want you to tell anyone, this is a secret, is putting a intent follow URL. And if you leave a comment down below and you say that system, or you just want this link, let me know. I'll give you this link, and all you gotta do is copy this link, go ahead and put your username at the very end. And when somebody clicks on your ad, it'll automatically ask them to connect and follow you. That's how you get more followers and build more leads. Now, once you set these up, you're going to start getting more followers. I don't want you just posting sales types of posts. You need to be posting educational, helpful, personal style content. You can check out some other videos on my channel where I talk about this a lot. It's how you're going to be able to get a huge return on investment. You don't want to just be selling. You want to be following up and building relationships. I wanted to stop in and just say thank you again for spending time watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please share any resources or information about your business in the comments. I'm gonna go check it out and try to support you as much as I possibly can. And really, if this video brought you any value, it'd be great if you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn more about what we talked about today, I should have some other videos about that right here that you can check out. So I want you to try to go implement what I taught you today. Go use it on your own, bring on a marketing team or freelancer, or even hire an agency to help you. And what you want to do is you really want to focus on building those better relationships. And I hope to see you on my next video.